Your credit score is either your golden ticket or your biggest financial prison. A bad score means higher interest rates, loan rejections, and landlords turning you down. But here's the thing, you can fix it. Faster than you think. Today I'm giving you the exact steps to boost your credit score and unlock the financial life you actually deserve. Let's get it. What's up guys? Welcome back to Cash Flow Hacks, the channel where we make personal finance simple, powerful, and real. If you're new here, hit subscribe right now because we drop money-changing content every single week. Now let's talk credit scores. First, understand what's actually hurting you. Your FICO score, which is the score most lenders use, is broken down into 5 parts. Payment history is the biggest one, that's 35% of your score. Credit utilization is next at 30%. Then comes length of credit history, credit mix, and new inquiries. Once you know what's dragging your score down, you'll know exactly where to attack first. Step 1. Pay on time, every single time. I cannot stress this enough. Payment history is the #1 factor in your score. And even one single late payment can drop your score by 60 to 110 points. Set up autopay right now. Not tomorrow, right now. Even paying the minimum on time is 100 times better than missing a payment completely. Step 2. Destroy your credit utilization. This is the hack most people sleep on. Credit utilization is how much of your available credit you're actually using. The sweet spot is below 30%. But if you want a score above 750, keep it below 10%. So if your credit card limit is $10,000, keep your balance under $1,000. Pay your balance before the statement closing date, not just the due date. And watch your score jump fast. Step 3. Dispute errors on your credit report. Here's something wild. Studies show millions of Americans have errors on their credit reports that are actively hurting their scores. You are legally entitled to a free credit report from all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, at annualcreditreport.com. Go check it. Find an error. Dispute it directly with the bureau. Getting even one wrong item removed can bump your score by 20 to 50 points almost instantly. Step 4. Become an authorized user. This is one of the fastest credit building hacks out there. Ask a family member or a close friend with a great credit history to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. You don't even have to use the card. Their positive payment history gets attached to your credit profile, and your score starts climbing. Step 5. Get a secured credit card or a credit builder loan. If your credit is really damaged or you're starting from zero, a secured credit card is your best friend. You put down a small deposit, usually $200 to $500, and it works like a regular credit card. Use it for small purchases, pay it off in full every month, and within 6 months, you'll see a real difference. Credit builder loans from apps like Self or local credit unions work the same way you make payments. They report to the bureaus and your score grows. And finally, stop applying for new credit every 5 minutes. Every time you apply for a new card or loan, it creates a hard inquiry on your report. To many, in a short period, tanks your score and makes lenders nervous. Be strategic. Only apply for credit when you actually need it. Here's the truth. A good credit score isn't just a number. It's the difference between a 3% mortgage and a 7% mortgage. It's thousands of dollars a year. It's financial freedom versus financial stress. And the best part, you can start fixing it today. That's your full playbook. Pay on time. Crush your utilization. Dispute errors. Become an authorized user. Get a secured card. And stop unnecessary hard inquiries. Pick one action from this list and do it today. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Cashflow Hacks, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your 800 credit score journey starts right now. Let's get it.